Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about loops. Python supplies two different kinds of loops, the while loop and the for loop, which correspond to the condition control loop and collection control loop. The for statement in Python has the ability to iterate over the items of any sequence, such as a list or a string. The Python for statement iterates over the members of a sequence in order, executing the block each time. So let's start by creating a new file, for loop. We will start by writing few numbers from 1 to 10, actually 1 to 9. So print I, it will print numbers from 1 to 9. So if you want to print 10 numbers, then we have to write 11. So we can write anything in the loop and it will repeat the number of times. And if we cut this line and paste it here, then it will print at the end of the loop. So now let's declare a variable table and assign a value 2 and use the print function, print table and then x and then I, then equal and then I multiply by table. So it will print the table of 2. And here is the result. This is iteration. So it is repeating from 1 to 10 times and we can perform anything here. Let's give a gap 2 and here you can see that the number is 13579. And if we give a gap of 5, then 1 and 6. It means that the starting number plus the gap. So 1, 5 and 9. Let's create a sequence. And then loop through the sequence for subject in subjects. And let's print this subject name is and the subject. And here is the result. And we can even iterate strings. And here is the result. The subject name is MATH. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.